Everybody. It is March 1st today. I know you guys are going to be watching this at all different times, but it's March 1st. I'm in a really, really good mood. And I got a package on my doorstep last night that I'm super excited about. I just did a live video on Facebook, and so I'd already opened the package, but I was kind of like 99% sure I already knew what was inside of it. I always have orders coming, so I never know what it's going to be. And it was, in fact, the package that I thought it was going to be. So I had to jump on and do a video because I want to go over all of these exciting products with you guys. I think it's going to be like, this is huge. It's really, really a big deal to me. So we have got here, right here, it looked much prettier whenever I opened it up the first time. All these lovely boxes right here, you guys. Color Enhancing Shampoos by Monat. I am so excited for these right here. People have been requesting and requesting and requesting forever. Mainly blondes have been requesting a purple shampoo. Well, we all know, anybody that's blonde that have been, using shampoos and purple shampoos, you know how drying purple shampoos are on the hair. And trying to find a good purple conditioner is nearly impossible. So now we have sets right here. We've got a Perfectly Platinum. This is going to be great. Can you guys see that right there? This is going to be great for anybody that obviously has got silver hair, blonde hair. If your hair usually pulls brassy, it's going to be amazing at keeping those brassy tones out of your hair. So these are all like botanically based. So they're plant-based, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free. These three sets right here do not stimulate and promote growth like all of the other products that Monat carries, but they do contain the Crotasorb. The Crotasorb is the UVA and the UVB protectant that protects our hair from the sun. Our skin has to be protected from the sun, so does our hair. I don't know if you guys knew that, but hair ages also, just like our skin does. We have to protect it. Everything in the Monat product line has the UVA and the UVB protectant in it, which is called Crotasorb. So these all have that also built inside. I'm going to go over all of these. There's 3 different sets right here, so I'm going to go over what each one's going to do and what hair type it would be good for. And they got this like cute little list right here. Just kind of going over everything. And also the pricing, which I was so surprised about. I'm ecstatic. And today is the first day. I've seen a lot of people do before and afters, but actually on Facebook Live, on my Facebook group, I'm going to do before and after. And I'm actually, instead of doing a before and after picture like I keep seeing everyone do, I know sometimes people are skeptical when they see those. Sorry, I had coffee this morning and then like a huge video from the Monat president that was like filled with good news. So my heart's going like 1,000 beats a minute right now. That's why I'm talking so fast. But I don't even remember what I was going to say. Oh, with the before and after pictures. So people are a lot of times are skeptical because they see a before and the after, and they're like, well, the lighting's different. So how do we know it was like the same lighting? And how do we know it was the same day? And, all that. You guys are probably exactly like that. So I thought what I would do is maybe just do maybe one side, and I'll just compare the 2 sides so people can really see a difference. I don't have I guess I do. It just really depends on the lighting, but sometimes my hair looks a little more golden tone. Sometimes it looks a little bit more cooler tone. So it really depends on the light, like with all cases. But I'm just going to do one side of my hair. And I will probably actually, when I go to edit this, maybe I'll put like the picture of how it turned out, just so you guys can see. Because I'm going to be doing that mainly for my Facebook group. But I will try to post a picture here so you guys can see it. So here is the cute little pamphlet that I got with my order. And we'll go over the first one. The first one is the Perfectly Platinum. It's like the lavender right here, specially formulated with a complex blend of botanical actives. Everything, again, plant-based, which is why I love this company so much. It's plant-based, cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic. We don't have any harsh chemicals in our products. It's derived from lavender, mallow, violet flowers. So it's going to boost the platinum and silver highlights of your hair and platinum hues. So it's going to give you more of a platinum type hue to the hair and get rid of all that brassiness. So it comes with an 8-ounce bottle of shampoo and a 6-ounce bottle of the conditioner. So you get it as a set. And this is the amazing part. I was pretty blown away by this. I was surprised. But for VIP customers, it is only $61. Like, to me, that's an amazing price for a shampoo conditioner set. That's going to do what these are going to do with the Crotasorb, everything. I mean, that's an awesome price right there. And because I'm a market partner, I'm getting it even cheaper, which is even better. Okay, so that is this box right here. That is, don't even look at my nails. You guys know it. I never have my nails done. I'm the most lowest maintenance person in the entire world. And I forget that when I do these videos, and then I go back and I'm like, oh. Okay, so that's the Perfectly Platinum right there. And then we're going to go over, this is the Brilliant Blonde. I think this is a pretty cool one right here because this one this one's derived from chamomile. Some of these words I'm not sure about. Chamomile, crocus, I'm not really sure what that is. It's some type of plant. Organic marigold flowers, and it's going to boost the golden highlights and enhance blonde and golden hues. So those of you that have more of a golden blonde hair, it's going to be amazing for that. And you redheads, they did not leave you redheads out. A lot of people, whenever they saw this launch, they were like, what about the redheads? We don't have anything to use in our hair. Now you do. This right here, this is going to be great for redheads and for anybody with golden tones. This right here, again, shampoo, same shampoos, 8 ounces, 6 ounces, and it's going to be awesome for you golden toned people. And then last but not least, we have the Color Enhance Beautiful Brunette right there. Comes in this box. And this one obviously is going to be for you brunettes out there, you beautiful brunettes, specially formulated with botanical actives derived from horse chestnut seeds, Indian walnut leaves, and Peruvian ratani root. Did I say that right? Hopefully. I think I did. And it's going to boost brown highlights and enhance the brown and honey hues in your hair. I've seen some before and afters done with this one right here. There was a girl, she had brown hair that had faded to like this kind of like this bad reddish color, and she did one wash with this and it kind of brought it more to like a really pretty chestnut. Her highlights kind of more of a honey tone, so maybe like a honey caramel tone. Very pretty before and after. So that's going to be amazing for you brunettes out there. I think that's it as far as like what these do. I mean, you guys, they're not going to change the color of your hair. That's just going to enhance what you already have. I think it's awesome with the platinum. I'm really excited about this purple shampoo and conditioner. I cannot wait to try it. Can't wait to show you guys how it works. And I think I got my hands on it early because I'm a market partner, but I believe this is going to launch sometime in March. So originally I thought it was going to be the very first week of March, so it could be still. I'm not sure because they didn't tell us yet, but I'm assuming it's going to be sometime in March. And one more thing, this is like I'm super duper excited about. They've never done this before. We got a message from the president this morning, and I had to like kind of write these notes down. It's so many things to go over today, but all VIP customers that place a flagship order and place an order in the month of March, Monat is going to enter them in a drawing to win a 7-night Caribbean cruise, and they're going to pay for you and a guest to go, and they're going to choose 8 VIPs. They're going to enter 8 VIPs. 5 are going to be in the U.S. and 3 in Canada, because we've got Monat is in U.S. and Canada. So they're going to choose 8 total. Out of anybody that places an order in March, they're going to enter you in this contest. And not only do you get 7 nights with you and a guest, they're also going to give you $1,000 to spend on board. Hello! So if these do come out in the month of March and this is something that you desperately need for your hair, perfect time to place a VIP order. Done. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to go over. I had to jump on really quick. I was so excited whenever I got this box because I have been dying. I won't use a purple shampoo on my hair because I don't use anything other than Monat on my hair. And in the past, before I started using Monat, they dried out my hair so much. So I have not been using one, I guess, for 12 months now. I've been with the company for about 11 or 12 months. So I just cannot wait to see if it enhances these blonde tones And I don't tone my hair. You guys know, I mean, I do my own hair myself. Every once in a while I might add a toner whenever I do bleach it, but I'm not really good at it. So I'm excited to see what this does. So I will try to like I said, I'll just post a little before and picture after this video, or maybe like somewhere in the corner, and let you guys know how it goes. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited about these products. Message me if you have any questions, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
But I love it.